This one detail changes everything about your financial future. But first, picture Marcus, standing at checkout, eyes wide as his card gets rejected. What he didn't know about managing finances cost him more than just this purchase. Picture Marcus at the checkout line. His card declined. His face flushes red. The cashier's eyes narrow. How did a $400 car repair turn into this moment of panic? By the end, you'll know exactly how to build an emergency fund that keeps moments like this from happening to you. Marcus reflects on that day. An empty wallet feels like a sinking ship. He realizes an emergency fund is a safety net, not a luxury. Like insurance, but for life's curveballs. How big should a safety net be? Start small. Aim for $500. Then $1,000. Then 3 to 6 months of expenses. A $1,000 buffer means Marcus never faces public embarrassment again. Dana, Marcus's friend, sets up automatic transfers. It's like paying a bill to her future self. That slip looked like junk. It wasn't. Marcus skips his daily coffee runs, adds $100 a month to his fund. What about unexpected windfalls? Dana uses her tax refund to supercharge her fund. Gains peace of mind. But the strangest part? It's not just about the money. Marcus now stands confidently at the checkout. His card swipes without worry. That slip looked like junk. It wasn't. It was his lifeline. If you're learning something new, hit subscribe for more financial insights. Curious about investing that emergency fund wisely? Next episode reveals how to maximize your savings potential. Join me, Jordan Blake, next time for more money tips. See you soon.